Good, so we have arrived here. Without help we would have never found it, but we here, it's a total adventure. Absolutely love it. You go through a little walkway through the bush here. We park the car on somebody else's parking. It's really amazing. And now we here at Milea Bee Farm, something we found on Facebook by chance. There's no sign, no nothing. And let's have a look. And of course, don't forget, you know, if you like us, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And most over, come here and see for yourself. At least if it's nice, but we will see. Let's go.
So fresh honey came from the hive. So just poke here. This one. Yeah. No. Yeah, this one.
Ayan ang raw honey na sinasabi.
Pure raw honey.
So maasim
Nice.
din?
No, sweet.
Sweet na.
Hindi mo malalasahan yung gaano ka, yung ano, yung asim niya. Hindi mo malalasahan masyado.
Ito sa bak. Yan.
This is the sour one, and then it's bitter. You can taste.
So now that's the honey of the native bees. It's brown, it's quite liquid. And it's actually really sour. But honey sour, it's beautiful. Very nice. we had the whole tour now, and it was absolutely amazing to see with the bees and holding them and see all the edible flowers, and especially the vanilla, of course. Now we have a little snack. It is sticky rice with a bit honey, so let me just taste. Just what the doctor ordered. Beautiful.
That was the order.
What the doctor ordered. So now we have some butterfly pea juice, and sweetened it is with honey, of course, and there's a bit tarragon in it as well. Oh, lovely. Refreshing, but not too sweet. Just beautiful. That was just amazing, being totally in the middle of the bush. I mean, we would have never found it if we wouldn't have asked the people. But to see that, to see the bees, especially the native bees, was really something that we can only recommend. The tour is 250 peso per person, and it's absolutely worth it. You get a little bit something to eat at the end. But what I'm really proud of is I bought just a little bit of the honey, just a tiny little bit of the native bee honey, because it is a bit sour, but it's super special and very difficult to get, and then a bit of the normal honey, because we just love honey and have honey from everywhere. So I hope you follow us a little bit more. Join us for more adventures here in the Philippines. If you like it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe, and of course tell all your friends, and most of all, come here, see it for yourself. Absolutely fantastic. See you soon again. And we're back. No, that wasn't the finish. Wrong. We walked, we saw Lomi houses, we are in Batangas, we said we wanna have Lomi. We got put here in this amazing little pink restaurant, little Lomi house, and this is a Batangas Lomi. It's traditional for Batangas, originally done actually with pork intestines, as my mother-in-law has explained to me. But because it's a bit of a problem at the moment, it's with chicken. So absolutely great stuff. Put a little bit of calamansi on it, of course. And let me just try a little bit. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I'll be eating now. Sorry that the movie wasn't finished yet, but now it is finished. We've done a lot, and now we need to relax and enjoy it. See you next time again.